I learned these tricks while working as a cook for a wealthy family. Place half of the ground meat into a zip-top bag. Gently press it flat and slide the bag downward along the countertop. Put the prepared portions into the freezer. This way of storing meat takes up very little space. You can use the same bag for another method. Arrange cookies inside, insert a straw, seal the bag, and suck the air out. The bag collapses, giving you a homemade vacuum seal. Quick pickled cucumbers in just a few hours without brine. Once you try this, you'll never go back to the traditional recipe. You don't need a jar or water. This dry version of pickling gives the same delicious taste, and the cucumbers remain exceptionally crunchy while maintaining their vibrant green color. Wash 1 kilogram of cucumbers and soak them in cold water for at least 1 hour. Trim the ends to speed up the fermentation process and reduce any bitterness. Grind a few black peppercorns, peel, prick, and chop 2 garlic cloves. Then peel and chop a piece of horseradish root and also chop 2 sprigs of dill. Before placing the cucumbers in a Ziploc bag, prick each cucumber with a toothpick. This will allow the spices to penetrate the cucumbers faster and ensure even pickling. Add the prepared ingredients in order: salt, horseradish, dill, and garlic. Gently but thoroughly mix everything in the bag, trying to remove as much air as possible before sealing. Place the bag in the fridge for a few hours. After that, the cucumbers will be ready to eat. Aromatic, perfectly crunchy, and incredibly tasty. This is a simple and quick recipe that doesn't require cooking or brine, yet the result and flavor will amaze you. I put a bag over my oven door and got rid of all the burnt residue without scrubbing. It's a brilliant method that saves you from using steel wool or wasting time on endless scrubbing. The bag does the work for you. Just place a garbage bag over the oven door. Pull it down slightly so the grime doesn't spill out, and sprinkle baking soda over the surface. Then pour vinegar on top. It'll start to fizz a little. That's how you know it's working. Take a brush and gently scrub to mix the ingredients. You'll soon see the grime start to disappear. Add a little toothpaste and focus on the tougher spots. Next, cover the surface with aluminum foil. 2 pieces are enough. Put the bag back on. The heat will boost the cleaning effect. Now move on to the inside of the oven. Sprinkle baking soda, pour vinegar, and clean all the corners thoroughly. Use a soft rubber cloth to wipe away all the dirt. Then remove the bag and foil and wipe the door with a sponge. You'll see how easily all the grime comes off, leaving the surface perfectly clean. The oven looks brand new again and is ready to use.